again. How are you, students and dear parents? Are you fine? Good. And this is our second day class of Math for Grade 1, okay? In this class, we are going to see number system, okay? We're going to see how you write numbers in words in numerals. We continue the topics that we already started in the previous class, okay? Our discussion pages are number page 2 and 3, okay? And here I am, Mr. Melissa. Let's continue. Okay, in this class also we're going to see numbers, okay, with their symbols and with their corresponding numerals. How you write numbers with their corresponding symbols and numerals. Again, you're going to see and identify the name of the numbers, okay, in English alphabet from 21 up to 40. Previously we have seen numbers from 1 up to 20, right? So in this class also we'll see numbers from 21 up to 40. Alright, before we start today's class, let's revise what we have seen earlier, okay? The first class. You remember, we say that when we are writing number in word that means writing in English alphabet, okay? When you say writing a number in words, just like this one, the left sides, that means writing the name of these symbols, numbers with their corresponding alphabets, right? So when we say again number in numeral, this is the right sides. As you can see here, the right sides are numerals of what? Their words, expressions. So this is writing numbers in word and in numerals with their symbols. This is what we have seen last time. So again, I have given you one homework, okay, to do it at home. That is to write the numbers, well, the numeral for the word given, the names of the numbers here. So the first one is number 1. Number 1, I hope it's clear. Number 2 and number 3, the symbol. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9, and lastly number 10. So these are your answers, okay, for the given word of numbers. So take corrections, okay, take corrections. Now after that we continue. In this class, as I told you earlier, we're going to see numbers starting from 21 up to 40. Previously, we have seen numbers from 1 up to 20. This, we'll see numbers 21 to 30 with their symbols and with their alphabets, okay, with their word expressions. So, as you can see here, the first 10 numbers are 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, right? 30. Here is you have the first 10 numbers and second from numbers from 31 to 40. Let's their symbol in their word. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Right? So these are numbers from 21 to 40. I hope you identify their symbol and their word expressions, right? So the next one is a movie. So after you watch the movie, you come back and then we see more exercises, okay? All right, students, I hope you have seen numbers from 1 up to 14, right? The next numbers will be seen in the next lesson, okay? I'll give you the next lesson. So now let's proceed. All right, this topic we're going to see natural numbers, okay? As we have said earlier, when we say natural number, they are what? Counting numbers. You can say they are counting numbers from 1 up to 5. So let's see their orders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 numbers are counting numbers from 1 up to 5 that we use in counting. It can be objects when we count materials, or it can be anything we want. When we are counting objects or animals or persons, we use these numbers, natural numbers, so counting, to count anything. Say for example, you have how many houses, or you can say huts here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count these houses. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many houses or pictures are there? You have 4. So your answer will be 4. You write here 4. Again, the same way. Here you have also counting numbers from starting from 1 up to 9 are called counting numbers. 1 up to 9 counting numbers, and they are 1-digit counting numbers. They are all these numbers are what? 1 digits. They are not 2. When we say 2 digits, just like 10, 11, 12, 13, they are what? 2 digits. But here 1 up to 9, they are 1-digit counting numbers. So count the picture and give the answer for the question below. In the same way, just like you have seen in the previous exercise, the previous example, count these houses and then write your answer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many houses you have? 6. So your answer will be 6. You write here 6. Next, note that a number which starts from 1 is called natural number. As you can see here, all naturals, when we see naturals or counting numbers, it starts with which number? 1. And again, it goes to infinity. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It starts from 1 up to, it can be millions or billions, whatever you want, up to infinite. But start with which number? 1. Naturals or counting start with 1. How about whole? When we say whole or numbers, they start with 0. Okay? See the difference? Numbers that start from 0 are called whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay? Etc. Up to infinity. But it starts with 0. But naturals start with 1. This is their difference, okay? Now, let's proceed. Next one is classwork, okay? I will give you one classwork. This classwork, what you're going to do is you write the numbers, okay? The numerals. Write the numerals for the given number names. That means words. You have given word of numbers, so you complete the word of numbers with their corresponding symbols. Okay, so I'll give you 10 minutes for this one. After that we'll see it together. Okay, start now. Alright students, I hope you completed your classwork, right? Have you finished? Good. Now let's see the answers and then we compare. Okay, the first one will be the first symbol of the number name is 11. That is 1, 1, 11. What's given next? 12, which is 1 and 2, 12, right? And 13. How do you write 13? 1, 3, 13. And 14, that is 1, 4, yes? 14. And 15 says what? 15, the word. And the symbol is 1, 5. And next one, the next correction is 16. 1, 6. 17. 1, 7. 17. 18. 1, 8. 19. 19 is 1, 9. Yes? 20. Symbol will be 2, 0. 20. So I hope you understood what a number and a symbol mean. How you write number in symbols and symbol with their corresponding numerals. I hope it's clear. Now the next one will be is homework. Okay, I'll give you one homework and then after that we complete our lesson. It says write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. So you have two homeworks. I'll give you two exercises here. The first one is this one, and the second one is this one. From 3 up to 4. Okay, you have number 3 and 4. What you're going to do here is how many you count. You count these dots inside the box. Okay, you count the dots and then you write the amount here. Okay, the numeral or the symbol. Write the numeral for each box. As I told you, here you have boxes. Inside there are balls of dots. You write their corresponding symbol. You count, you write. For example, you have here 17 balls. Okay, if you count these balls, it will be 17. The same way, you count, you write here. You count, you write. You count, you write it. And then you complete all. The next one will be the same way, fill in the missing numerals. You have given 7 dash 9 dash dash. Again 1. The rest is blank. 17 blank. 16 blank blank. 19 blank. Dash 15 dash 17 dash. See, just by looking at the pattern you can finish it. Okay, you complete, just keep the orders and then you can complete it. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes for this one, and do it and check your answers. The next one we'll see your answers. Okay, so this is your homework for today's lesson. So thank you for watching and listening. See you.